Welcome y'all to May. Today we're going to be reacting to Ateez's new MV, Fireworks, I'm the One. The last comeback they had with Inception and Thanks was amazing, mind-blowing. I can't wait for this one. I'm really excited. Really sad that Mingi won't be here, but I know his vocals are there. So let's get to it.
I'm the one in my zone. 다른 애들은 좋지 않은 바보들 좀 봐.
Your song getting rhymes? Sad in a crop top. That's what everyone needed. Verse is so hard. Stay on that car. Yeah. I don't know, you tell me. You are so weird. Your song is getting more lines, yes. My man. I really like this drop. And sometimes that hair look, it gives me some feel. I'm loving the choreo so far. I haven't mentioned anything. So beautiful. Jungkook's voice, amazing. Those visuals, yes. I'm loving the red. I'm loving the red leather. Did we get Yosang ending? I love these shoes. I like this shot. Who the fuck is that man? God. So, lots to say. First of all, I loved the concept. I loved the visuals. It was amazing. I think my favorite visual was whenever they had the tree that was on fire. That looked so good. And Jungkook standing in front of it wearing red with his vocals. It was like the best part. And then there was the ending scene where they were wearing red. Red is just such a sultry color, and I absolutely love it. They look amazing. They killed it. The choreography, not much needs to be said because Ateez are performance killers. They know what they're doing. They're professionals. The industry is shook. Like, Ateez is coming for you. Coming for your necks. Coming for your throats. Coming for your children. Like, you better watch out. They said, we came to win. I'm really happy that Yeosang got some lines. Like, he sounded really good. And he even got to be in the center at the end. Like, yes, please, more Yeosang. Amazing. You know, was really killing it with the dancing, as he usually does. Jungkook's vocals, I've already talked about it. Hongjoong, oh, I loved his hair. I love his hair for this comeback. I love his hair for this comeback. My God. I bought the red version for the album because I really love the dark concept. And my album should be coming in about 2 weeks or so. Sungkwa was killing it. Like, his facial expressions, they were giving me feelings that have always been there, but he just brought them out even more. Wooyoung, I loved the way he looked and sounded in his first verse. When he first came in, it sounded really beautiful. I really liked it. Mingi's verse, it slapped. Like, I was getting hyped up. I was like, yes, give me more. And then the beat dropped and I died. Like, I miss Mingi. Like, sending him all my love. Hope he's doing well. Can't wait for the time he can come back and return to Ateez safe and sound, healthy. That's all I care about at this point. Want him to be doing well mentally and physically, and I'm glad he's getting the opportunity to rest. I'm going to be doing an album review later on, so stay tuned for that. I'm really happy with this comeback, and see y'all later. Bye.
웃음 비친 시스템 난 소리 어려운 걸 해내줘 이쁘다